Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and on this Hyundai Sonata this is a hybrid. We're going to go over how you would check your brake fluid. So your brake fluid reservoir is right here on the driver's side. You've got the master cylinder and the brake booster right there, and so we have our reservoir. We've got a minimum and maximum line here. This is actually at the maximum. It's riding perfect at the height. And if you need to add fluid, you make sure that you clean this cap off the best you can with a rag if it's really dirty, to not get any fluids in there. And then remove this cap by twisting it and remove it. And then you would add your brake fluid in there. And this can take a .3 or .4 brake fluid. And you would put it in there from a new container, or a container that has not been left open, so that it doesn't absorb moisture. Moisture is not good to have in your brake system. So you just, and then once it's up to your line here, you of course put the cap back on, and so that's how you would check your brake fluid on your 2012 Hyundai Sonata. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.